It's time for a bird video. Oh, this is crazy. I've never had such happy little birds watching themselves on TV. No kidding. They are literally watching themselves on TV. Wow, look at Kay. See, this is what I'm saying. Jay's usually excited, but look at Kay. Kay's a social one. Jay really likes me, but Kay seems to be so social.
Cameras sucks. It sucks so bad. It sucks harder than your wife in a firefighter bank. Allegedly. A sex shot? Once I get electricity in my bar and then we can get things set in motion for Pacific all the talk about what you did to her. I can't believe you worked with both of you. Super winning, drinking strong. Amen. Amen. What for teammates you right there? Prepper tour and something else going on there? For a deal on it. Damn! Damn. Not that you would know about that or anything. You see what they know. You did. But they're telling you that they're coming to mind right now, right there. Terrible. People laughing at me. I'm so done. I apologize to everybody for blowing out their eardrums there, but now we got Pat Wax Daddy. All right. Go Bennett. Any East Texans in the audience? Pass along input finds that would like to establish a state. Read Ely on the way for referrals. Daddy to go belly in the audience. Thank you so much. Sue Goodwill. Battle Axe for Warhammer. I'll see you for Warhammer. To be honest, Warhammer is...
Look at these guys. They're so cute. Well, look at Kay today. Isn't she on fire? I missed the logo. Haha. Now this video, I'm actually pressing the remote, staring at the camera, and intentionally zooming out on the camera at the same time. That's why I'm smiling in this shot, because I just pulled all that choreography off of that shot perfectly to try to avoid copyright protection while getting the whole message apart without editing. The only thing I had to edit was just when to close it off and when to start it.
Uninteresting female has been pursuing me. Can't tell, I don't care. The important thing is I gained a lot from it. And I didn't have a bad time at all. And I even feel like a champion, so I feel like a heartbreaker. So
that's right, brother. Preach it, right? Heartbreaker.
Avatar has been saying, "Oh, I want to be in your arms. Oh, I want to come see you. This, that." Asked me for money for a video chat. I'm like, you sound robotic. You need to do better. My problem solving skills, one of the key ingredients, I don't want to quit. So I said, bye. Alright, video short idea. At a store, and people are like, "Oh, I couldn't be here because I wasn't close enough. I heard bang, bang, and it was over at the register, and I was in denial." Man, that's some crazy ass PS humans call yourselves. Answer the phone, Joshua! It's time for a bird video. Oh my goodness. The birds are not in their cage. Where could they be? We gotta be careful, we don't want to step on them, right? Well, actually, I found a really cool solution to it by accident. Actually, the birds found it and I decided to make it work. Look at that. Hi guys. What's up? This is their new little playground. One of them fell in there, and of course when one falls in and the other one doesn't, all they do is try to get out. But one got out over here, one got out over there, and I thought it was just one bird out. So I come to go get the other bird. It hops up over. I'm sorry, it should be pointing over here. It hops up over here, and then jumps down in there. And they, of course, they come up and they just love on each other for a few moments. And then they just start exploring the place, just having all kinds of fun and stuff. And look at them, they're not all just trying to get out and everything. So I just left them in there for a little while, and it's cool. That keeps them in there where I ain't gonna step on them or nothing. And they got a little place where they can get around and just have some fun. I might make a mat or something to put up in there so I ain't worried about bird poop and stuff in there. And I figured though, they'll get bored in there. So, it's time to create some new bird toys. That's what we got over here. I'm going to end up hanging that from the cage ceiling or something, or the wall. These things here. But, while they're playing around on the floor, I think this is going to be fantastic to use together with it. So, let's see if they like it. Oops, sorry guys. Didn't mean to just toss that in there like that. Oops! Whoa! It's about time to clip their wings. Not quite though. It's not ready yet. Let's see this.
I straight up realized, because I'm taking such good care of them, paying so much attention to them, and loving on them so much, and raising them so well, I don't think they're gonna need those wings clipped. They have no desire to take off and run, and I've had the screen door. Whenever 99.9% of the time, the front door is open, and 0.1% of the time, one of them is, more or less kind of accidentally flew up onto there, just kind of learning how to get around, because these are just baby birds, and they hit the screen and they realize, oh, this is a barrier we can't get through, and they don't care, and they fly back to the cage or whatever, or wait for me to come and get them because they're confused. They have no desire to run, and again, with a little bit of training with the screen, they realize it's a barrier. It's not even worth flying at, because then it just leads to confusion, and they don't even care. I can go in and out of the door, you know, at this point without any real trouble, even though I still do try to be careful. Isn't that right, guys? Hey, Budgie birdies! JK! I'm cooking for Cocoa Puffs! Ah.
Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord.